Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use a promo code in Canva so you can claim an available discount or special offer. The fastest way to do this is through Canva's official redemption page. Open your web browser and visit canva.com/redeem. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your Canva account before continuing. After the page loads, you'll see a field where you can enter your code. Paste or type the code carefully, then click Redeem. If the code is accepted, Canva will confirm it and apply the eligible offer to your account. You may also be able to enter a promo code when you're upgrading to Canva Pro. Start the upgrade process and check for an option such as Have a promo code. Select it, enter your code, and apply it. Before completing your purchase, make sure the updated price or offer is displayed. If your code doesn't work, check that it was entered correctly and hasn't expired. Some promo codes are only valid for certain plans, new accounts, or limited time promotions. If necessary, try redeeming the code through the official redemption page instead. If you're using the Canva mobile app, you might be asked to finish the redemption process in your web browser, so using a computer can make the process easier. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to redeem a Canva promo code and activate any eligible discount or offer. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.